everyone, today I'm going to share a video on Farm Bills 2020. More than 70% of Indian population is either directly or indirectly involved in agriculture activities. In September 2020, Parliament of India passed three farm bills which are not accepted by the farmers of India, and they started protesting against these ordinances. I will discuss these ordinances briefly and also explain how these are not beneficial for farmers. The first ordinance is Farmer Produce Trade and Commerce Ordinance 2020. Under these bills, government allow farmer to sell their production to big businessmen directly without interface of middlemen, even they do trade out of state. Till now, most of farmers lend money from middlemen for preparation of crops like insecticides, pesticides, labor, harvesting, and so on. When farmers selling their grains from middlemen, they return their lended money to him. However, after this ordinance, this will not happen. Second ordinance is Farmer Agreement of Price Assurance and Farm Services. The corporates passed this bill to increase the worth of farmers. In this bill, farmers give land to the corporates on lease for fixed period of time. Under the certain restrictions, big businessmen will do agriculture with new technology and machinery, which may lead to the problem of unemployment because corporates will do the agriculture with machinery only instead of manual labor. Third law is the Essential Commodities Amendment Ordinance 2020. The government provide opportunity to farmers to store their productions and sell it when they want to the required price. Huge budget is required to make big storage houses and also for the maintenance of their houses. Need some money. Average farmer could not afford it, but big corporates can. To conclude, these bills are not helpful to farmers at any view, but maybe for corporates. It is the responsibility of government to take opinion not only of state government but also from farmers before passing such bills. Thanks.